We continue with our focus now on the conflict between the US, Israel and Iran. We are actually joined in studio by SABC News economics editor Tshepo Mongoai just to get a sense of the global economic impact thus far. Very good afternoon to you, Tshepo. A very volatile period. Just talk us through what exactly we're seeing on the markets front.
Well, thank you very much, Mfundo. Well, we've seen a sea of red ride across the markets. And of course, we continue to see some volatility coming through. The Asian trade, we've seen some weakness coming through, although it was a bit of a mixed picture. But I must say the sell-off is broad-based. European stocks have shaved off over 1%. And as I indicated, in Asia, there was a bit of a mixed picture, but mainly weaker. But the highlights were stronger energy stocks and sharp losses from airline stocks. Now, let's take a look at how the JSE is digesting all these developments that we are seeing currently. Well, the JSE, as you can see, it has been trading weaker. But I must say that it has since started flat, showing some resilience this morning. It is now in the green, and this is despite that it has come down from 129,000, currently at 128,000. It is the gold stocks that are doing all the heavy lifting. Let's take a look at the gold and yellow metal is up 2% this morning, and with the global uncertainty that we're seeing on the rise, gold is providing the safe haven status. This is giving massive tailwinds to the local miners like Goldfields, up more than 5%. We've seen Sasol also benefiting and due to surging oil prices. Now let's take a look at that oil price. Brent crude oil has jumped nearly 8%. The primary driver is the effective holds of traffic through the Strait of Hormuz. Nearly 20% of global stock passes through this narrow waterway, and we know that most maritime insurers have since withdrawn their coverage. And how is the rand factoring all these developments? The local unit is under pressure. The rand has weakened significantly, trading around 1608 to 1615 to the US dollar. And we know that whenever global geopolitical tension rise, investors pull out of emerging currencies like the rand and move into safe havens like the United States of America. Of course, we'll continue monitoring those developments due to the geopolitical tensions that's happening in the Middle East. Mfundo.
All right, Tshepo, thank you very much for that very comprehensive explainer. We now fully understand that whenever there are global tensions or geopolitical tensions, as you've stated there, that investors pull out of these emerging markets and rather than go on to invest in what you call the safer havens, which is United States as dollar there. But thank you very much for that.